Hey guys, so past Erin forgot to do an intro, so this is future Erin doing the intro for him. So, welcome to vlog number 5, and thank you for not missing that one. That will not go unnoticed, but let's cue that theme music in 3, 2, and 1. See you guys. Alright guys, what is up? Welcome to vlog number 5. Hey there. So we have a busy day. Hey, future Erin, you want to give us a rundown of the day? So rundown of the day. Let's see here. Well, you got your art history paper you gotta do. You gotta go to the store, and then that challenge. Remember that? Alright, I am on my way downtown right now. We're gonna go ahead and do that art history thing. Gonna go to the Capitol. I'm gonna take a look at some of these statues they have up there and see which one I want to write a paper on. So, let's cue this driving music in 3, 2, 1. Okay guys, I'm at the Capitol. I gotta pick a statue to write a paper on for this American art history class. So I'm gonna go around to these statues. That thingy, there's one over there, there's another one right there. Oh, they're all around you. You can see that, you can see that. So I'm gonna go around and I'm gonna pick which one. Hopefully it speaks to me individually. Hopefully, I don't know. I really don't know that much about art, but yeah, oh, I'm out of the light, Back up. Ah, look at that lighting. All right, yeah, I'm gonna go around and pick one of these statues. All right, guys, check this one. I don't know if I want to go there or not. Yeah? No, not feeling it either. All right, how about this one? This one's huge. I'm just not even gonna do that one. No way. Need a smaller one. We're gonna go small. Yeah, no. All right. As you see, I'm struggling finding a statue I want to do. You know, I'm looking for something a little small, but like, you know, not too small. Look like I tried on this. Oh, I think I found one. Check that out. Check it out. Oh yeah, this one's perfect. Yep. Christopher Columbus. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do that one. First I gotta ask permission. So what do you say, Chris? Can I write a paper on you? No? You serious right now, bro? Hang on, off camera. Dude, are you kidding me? You're gonna embarrass me in front of all these people? This is not what we rehearsed. It's not what we rehearsed. You said you were gonna say yes, and now you're just gonna say no? What? Alright, let's try this one more time. Alright, take 2. So, Chris, can I write a paper on you, bud? Okay, alright, that's too far. Hang on, you guys are not gonna wanna see this. I gotta, yeah. Oh my god, guys, I think I killed him. There's blood everywhere. Oh god, this is bad. This is really bad. I gotta get out of here. I'll see you guys when I'm in the car. There's so much blood. I'm still gonna write a paper on him though. Yeah, that happened. that definitely just happened. I just want to start by saying, Chris, you're a good friend. I'm sorry things had to end the way they did. So let's have a moment of silence for our good buddy Christopher Columbus. Alright, he didn't really die. He's a statue. Statues can't talk. Alright guys, so what's next on the list? Hey, future Erin, what's next? Looks like here, my friend, you got some grocery shopping to do. Alright, you heard it from future Erin. We're going to the grocery store, so hey, future Erin, cue the driving music for me, please. No problem, bud. Boop. grocery store, so we're gonna cut to a time lapse of me shopping at the grocery store, I guess. So cue the, I don't even know what to call it, the grocery store time lapse music shopping thing. Yeah, I don't know. So just cut to the time lapse. Grocery shopping is done. Future Aaron, you want to tell them what we got next?
Well, it says here that you have a drone challenge to do, my friend.
Yes, the challenge. Pretty much what I named this video after and created my thumbnail after. So, about a week ago, my friend Payson Wick posted this on Instagram. And as you can see from the caption, he took a drone selfie. After seeing that, I was like, is this a challenge? And he was like, yes. And well, you know your boy never backs down from a challenge, so obviously I said, challenge accepted. Then Jordan Lewinsky said, challenge accepted, and then Nathan Clayberg said, challenge accepted. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm gonna go take an epic drone shot and complete the challenge. Probably gonna go to the stadium for this, so I'll see you guys when we get there. Alright guys, I'm here at the stadium. Gonna try to go up there at the top of the press box to get this drone selfie and complete this challenge for my man Payson Wick. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get up there, if I get up there.
12 seconds later.
Alright, I made it. Check it out. I'm not even sure if I'm supposed to be up here right now, but I am. So we're gonna hurry up and do this and get down from here. But first, we're going to do a drone montage in 3 and 2 and 1. Alright guys, that is it for this vlog. I think the drone shot turned out pretty well. Here's what it looks like right here. Yeah, but that's all I got for this vlog. I will see you guys next week. Easy out.